Hello and welcome to Circle Magic, and today we're gonna talk about how to properly install XMage. So the idea is that many tutorials suggest you to go to xmage.de and download this thing from here, but they don't have a certificate, TLS certificate just yet, so this is really insecure. So you probably shouldn't be doing that. So what should you do instead? Well, instead you should click GitHub. And then this is basically the website where the whole development for XMage is conducted. And here you should click releases. I can't see it here, so probably we have to click on Mage first and then releases right after. And basically download this 144 whatever release or the latest release. Yeah, whatever. Latest release should be good. All right, so we have it downloaded already. I kind of skipped this part. Let's extract all here. All right, so we got it extracted. All right, so basically here we have all the stuff that we really need to have. Copy this into our games directory. Basically what will happen is it will not run. So we click start mage.bat. Then it says Windows cannot find Java W. Make sure you type the name correctly and then try again. But okay, let's first download Java 8. Yeah, that should be good. And let's give it a click. And here we will just click install. All right, so it says that you have downloaded Java successfully and whatnot. So now when we run this, basically it's gonna ask us some questions, and we're gonna allow it to push through the firewall. So here we go. Let's close this. All right, so we have installed XMage and we ran run.bat or whatever, start something, start mage.bat. There are no like pictures or anything. So basically we can either click images and download everything from Scrifall, or we can go to preferences and then we can go to images. And here we can unclick this and let me remember, where did I? Aha, MTG scans. All right, and now we click save, close this, and start Mage again. And connect to European server once again. Go to deck editor and see if the cards are working. Oh, okay. Yeah, all right. So I forgot to unclick store images and zip files. Now it works. Let's exit once again and restart it. And I will post a link in the description of where to get the cards. And in principle, we should be able to just make some deck. Well, homelands are not online. So let's actually demonstrate how to download. All right, so we have to click re-download. And yeah, another little trick that you might want to do is you might increase this. Let's go to client and let's edit this with Notepad. And basically what you want to change is you want to change this to give it 1 GB of memory. And now when we save this, when we close this, and now when we run start client.bat, please. Okay, here we go. um, we will see that there's like 1 GB of RAM available to us. You can have a look at how the interface works. Basically, we're just validating that our system with the latest Java just works. Server apparently isn't working, but yeah, basically this is how it works. Yeah, like it's really cool. It's basically Magic the Gathering online, except a little bit better because it's completely free, and its bugs are kind of hilarious, more hilarious rather than MTGOs. Yeah, so that will be it. Um, I will host all the images on my server. I will provide a link to it, and yeah, enjoy Magic the Gathering. Enjoy old school Magic the Gathering. Enjoy new school Magic the Gathering. A short remark though is on XMage, the latest set is normally not working that well. So now, like spoilers of M21, for example, will not work for a while, even after its release, even though it's basically a reprint set, so maybe it will. But anyhow, um, yeah, so when you're playing crafter format, for example, do not vote for or like do not try to include the Korea for the time being. Do not try to include M21 spoilers for the time being because these cards are not like completely supported and stable. And also in changelog they normally have a list of um, bugged cards, and if anything, there are always open issues about bugged cards. So if you're like uh, for sure for like events with deck lists that we're going to be having on XMage, if any. We are going to be checking deck lists that should be provided in advance against bugged cards and basically telling players that your card is known to be bugged and it's either detrimental to you or not. And if it's not detrimental to the person, then the bug cannot be exploited and the card probably will have to be replaced. And if we catch it before the tournament, then the card will be replaced. Will be able, like the player will be able to replace it with a reasonable card. And if we will catch it during the tournament, then we will do all the regular shenanigans. Validate that the player did not know that this card is bugged. Have a look at the recording of the game where the occurrence appeared, and then we will make a decision, hopefully to just replace it with basic land and have them basically rewind the game. And yeah, I mean, we can't really fix it. It will be a dead card for the player, and in the next match, that will be a basic land. I think I've covered everything, but don't worry, there are like 3 bugged cards or something. Outside the modern, like outside the latest set. So yeah, thank you for watching. I guess if you cared enough to watch till the end, I hope that it really the fact that I was babbling about random stuff more than actually installing things demonstrated that everything is like super smooth. You don't need no launcher, you don't need anything. You just download a 140 megabyte archive from GitHub, and then you just download a directory, a zip file from my server, and you put the zip file from my that you downloaded from my server into a certain folder. And then you basically just point in the preferences to that folder. Everything else is just like on Magic Online. Actually, even keybinds are very similar to Magic Online, with one exception is that there is explicitly like whenever you hold priority by default. I think it can be changed in preferences, but I wouldn't. I mean, I don't care if I have to click F1 a couple extra times. So anyway, thanks for watching. That will be it for me.